The Mercedes-Benz UNIMOG is an iconic vehicle. For decades, it's been regarded as one of the most complete off-road vehicles in the world. It's often seen in military applications, firefighting, even agricultural. We're here at the Werribee 4x4 Park just out of Melbourne, and we can throw everything at this UNIMOG. This is going to be fun. Our test vehicle was a dual cab variant which provides seating for 2 up front and 4 in the rear. Despite the UNIMOG's utilitarian looks, the interior is surprisingly comfortable. The dash layout is ergonomically sound and the multifunction steering wheel makes scrolling through the functions on the screen a breeze. On the road, the UNIMOG is easy to drive, and except for some tyre noise from the chunky Michelins, it's remarkably quiet. But it's off-road where the UNIMOG shines. Wheel articulation is remarkable due to the long travel suspension and torsional twisting ability of the chassis. The onboard tyre inflation system is fantastic. It's easy to use, so if you can't make it up or through an obstacle, you can back off, drop the tyre pressures and try again. Fording depth is quoted at 1.2 metres, so the UNIMOG made short work of our water crossings. With 16 forward gears to select from, there was always a correct gear for the job at hand. And if you need some more engine braking, there's also a 2-stage jake brake. Mud didn't present a problem. With massive ground clearance and big, aggressive off-road tyres, the UNIMOG lapped up everything we put in front of it. In fact, there's not a lot we could find on the day that would bother the big MOG. They're not cheap, but if you want one of the most capable and easy to drive vehicles on the planet, then it'd be hard to go past the UNIMOG. Well, we've thrown just about everything at this Mercedes-Benz UNIMOG today. We've been up and down hills, we've been through mud, we've thrown some really heavy terrain at it, and I just washed it off by driving about 200 metres up a river. So this really has proved itself to be one of the most enduring and capable trucks on the market.